Hi everyone! It is Wednesday, baking in the microwave convection oven. So today we're going to make homemade pizza. Let's start with the dough. We're going to use a little bit of salt, which I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to use, just drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into the dough. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of sugar to help activate the yeast. And then I'm going to use 3.5 to 4 cups of flour. So what I'm going to do is get everything mixed up, and I'll see you back in just a minute. Now that I have the dough mixed up, I put it in a bowl, and what you do is you grease the bowl, you let it rise till it's double, and basically this is what you get. A whole lot of dough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out, let it rest for half an hour, and then I'm going to cut it in 4. So 2 of them we'll use tonight, 2 of them I'll freeze for future use, probably next week. Okay, now's the time that we're going to cut it in 4, and we're just going to cut it like that. Okay, now all we're doing is we're pressing it out. And you could use your fingers just to get a good shape going. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my rolling pin, something that I've had for many years. And just kind of gently roll it out. You want to...
How thick you want it? Like 1/4 inch?
Well, with this dough, it's kind of because you're going to pre-cook it,
So you
will.
cook the dough and
You pre-cook the
then
dough.
you put the toppings on.
And you put the topping on.
I'm new to this. I just know last one she made was pretty good. I'm not new to eating.
Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to try to fill the pan with the dough. This will be a thicker crust instead of a thin crust. We happen to prefer it that way. So we've already preheated the microwave convection oven to 375, which is equivalent to 400 in an oven. And we're going to put that in. While Davey puts that in, I'll get this other one pressed and rolled out. And I will have the recipe in the description for the pizza dough. Whoop. Alright.
Yeah, how intuitive I am. I moved that and you should need a place to put it there.
Okay. We're going to set this aside until that one's done. And we'll be back in just a minute.
Okay. Okay.
So we're taking it out. We're going to add our sauce and all of Davey's ingredients for what he wants. What I've done is I've made kind of a homemade sauce. I add a pinch, I mean a pinch of sugar to take away the acidity of the tomatoes. Then I add a whole bunch of organic Italian seasoning. One of the nice things about making your own pizza is you can always put on the amount of sauce that you want.
Sauce is important. I've been getting a lot of pizzas lately that are like dry crackers with cheese.
Okay, we're just about there.
I like sauce. I like
You want to start
cheese. I like sauce, I like cheese, I like bread, I like meat. I
Okay.
like food.
Davey loves pepperoni.
I do.
We're going to do kind of a meat pizza for him. We're doing pepperoni, Italian sausage, and ham. This is what Davey's pizza is going to look like. Now we're adding a pizza blend cheese. You want more? Davey's pizza's in now. We're going to have it in there for about 13 to 15 minutes, depending on how fast the cheese melts and starts getting nice and bubbly. Pizza's done. I think it looks really good, don't you?
Yeah, it does. Can't
All
wait
right.
to try it. Gotta wait for temps.
Come on, you go ahead.
Okay.
So, this is all it takes. I mean, very little time, very little preparation, and you have a nice meal. All right, see you later.